4K friends, this is Mrs. Burns. For this week's art lesson, I'm going to have you practice tracing using some recycled materials. I know you're talking about recyclables and where trash goes and all that fun stuff. We're going to turn some things that we would normally recycle or throw in the garbage into tools that we can use in art. So this right here is a toilet paper roll, like a big toilet paper roll. I have a few of these, so each one of you is going to get one of these. And this right here, you know what this is? It's for your milk, big gallon-sized milk containers, milk jugs. This is the cap to that. And then this thing right here is actually, I have a bunch of these in the art room that I saved. They're actually watercolor little trays that hold watercolor that I order for the art room. And it's made of cardboard, and I like to save them because they're fun and I can use them for fun things. So we're going to use them for tracing. So for today, what you're going to do, right now I'm going to show you how to hold these items when you trace. So with this big one right here, I know it's very big, you're going to hold it down and you're going to use a pencil, but I'm going to demonstrate with a marker so that you can see a little bit better. You're going to hold it down like you would normally do a tracer, and I want you to trace on the outside, not the inside. Let's concentrate on the outside. So going around, making sure that your pencil is touching the edge of this big tracer. And I have to lift my arm up right here so that I can see. When I lift up, there's a nice big round circle. All right, so that's how you hold this one. This one's kind of the same, except it's a little smaller and it's a little more slipperier, so holding it very carefully. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, holding it carefully, either with your hand or a couple fingers. And again, I start over here. Now what happens if, oops, my tracer moves? Should I continue tracing? No. We're going to put it back, kind of like a puzzle. Put it back right where it is. Hold it down. Try not to have it move at all. And then I'm lifting my arm up to go underneath and around. And I have a littler circle. All right. And with this tiny tracer right here, this time you're going to trace inside. And again, you're going to hold this down with your 2 fingers, or maybe 3. And you're just going to trace the inside. And instead of making a circle, makes a what? What kind of shape is that? An oval. All right, so the challenge for today, we're going to work on problem solving, and I want to see what you create and how well you can recreate what I create. So I sent a picture to Mrs. Koski, and she's going to put it up on the board, or she could just pause the video. I want you to recreate this picture right here using these tools, these recycled tracer tools. Okay, I'm going to have you try to figure out, now everything is these tools. There's some lines that you're going to have to add on your own. Okay, but I want you to take the time to try to figure it out yourself. All right, just using a pencil. And don't forget to write your name on the back of your work. Okay, so right here I'm going to write my name quick. I want you to write your name on the back of your work before you get started. All right, I can't wait to see them. Go ahead and begin.